Welcome, viewers, and this is In the Kitchen with Olivia. Now today we are making a hard-boiled egg, but since it's Easter, this is for a special occasion, we are going to use food dyes to dye it with ketchup and mustard. It works really good as food dye, trust me. And, okay, so I've had this cooking for like 5 or 6 minutes at 270 degrees. Okay, and now you insert the egg. It's really gentle not to break it. Okay, now you need to stir it up a little. And now, put the pot lid on top. And you let it cook for a few minutes. Now, I've already had one that's been drying in the fridge when it was boiled, so let's just go on to this one. And now, for this, we just get this one. Okay, for this one, you can choose optional color. For me, I'll do red. I like red a lot. Now you stir it. Now the water is red. I insert the egg. Okay. Now you don't need the lid, but if you want to, you can have the lid. Personally, I do, because I like mine really steamy eggs. Okay, so again, okay, so it doesn't take that long. So now, look at that. Nice red egg. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.